Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for May 27, 2020. As you can see on the left side that the SBY, that is Spider SB 500 ETF chart. And if you look at the chart here, so far the market is still very bullish. As you can see that when the market is test the 302 level, which is the first long-term resistance there, and then they try to push it back up, and then they people slam it down and try to fill up the gap. When they hit to the moving average and then they bow back up, it means that the buyer is still there. So you can see that right now the people would keep talking about the market go lower, but at this moment, every day that the market is still hanging there and try to go higher. So at this moment, you see the market pull it back down and the buyer step back in. So right now they go above the heavy resistance line over here. So definitely they are looking for the different destination on the upside. So right now the bull is still there. We will stick with the bull until they give it up. So if the trend is still up, it still continue to make it high, 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 low, and we stick with the trend. So that's how you trade. So right now, for the next level, if they be able to hold at this level, the next level will be 308 to 315. That's so that we can see when they get into that destination, we will reassess to see where the market is heading to. So if you can see that today on the right side, that the 60-minute check on the E-mini SP 500, this future contract, they run almost 23 hours today, as you can see that, so that no gap. So right now you can see that everything it goes smooth. Okay, in the morning when the market it open up overnight, they push it back up, and then in the morning they slam it down hard. Okay, so you can see that the market have been up, 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 and suddenly this morning they slam it down. But when they slam it down, like this, like I said before, the market it when they get stuck into the resistance area, as you can see here over here before. The market have been test and fail, 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 fail. Okay, so now this level become a very strong support. Okay, so that's why when they slam it down, they will retest it. The market it always try to do when they break out, they come back, they retest with the level that they used to be hold up. So this one used to be a resistance, now become a support. So they test it once, they test it twice, they hold up, and then they run very fast. A lot of people say, aha, this is the bear again, we're going to go down lower. The market will do whatever it takes because they don't understand the structure of the price action. When they go back, they follow support, the market continue to go higher. So right now, the bull is still in control. So we will stick with the direction of the bull until they give up. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. So if you are short-term day trader, if you know what to do, and then you can see that the market they pull back down right into the support level here. They hold the support and then they bow right back up. So they surprise the bear because a lot of people thinking that the market is now they make it low, but this is just first low, but they don't have a low high yet. So the market is still uptrend. So that's how you trade. So when I was in the live trading room, we guide the people that the market is coming down. So we know it's coming down. They come back and then they put back retest and then they test one more leg down. So when they stabilize at the support here, so I find the level of entry because it's very close to the lunch time. So I try to hang in there and take one quick trade here. So the total net profit for today is the $1,610. Today, a little bit choppy market, it's a bit risk. So I don't want to take a big risk. But if you stay there until after 12 o'clock, the market will continue to head north and continue to go up in the direction of the uptrend. So that's what we have for you today. So this is what we are doing every day. So if you would like to make some extra income, if you would like to learn how to trade and understand the market by looking the chart, because a lot of things that we do here, how we know that the market will get up here, because in our course we help people to identify by using a special tool so that you can understand where is the market head up here, because you cannot just say draw the line and then you think that they will get there. There is a lot of things that you have to learn and understand the market. So if you would like to learn more and understand the chart and how to read the chart so that you can make some extra daily income as well as you can build your wealth based on the swing trade method that we're also teaching people. Please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. If you like what I'm doing here for you every day, please give me a thumb up and sign up to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will let you know so that you can take a quick look, so you can learn something, so you can trade and manage your money. All right. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.